Hey y'all. So I know it's been like forever, but we're back and we're there. All right, guys. So this is my living room, y'all. This camera is not giving it justice because it is huge. We have a ceiling fan. We have all of that. Y'all, my man right there. So this right here is our alarm, our security system, all of that. And then with our lights, we can like dim them. And then this is how we turn on our ceiling fans. The top one is the slowest, the bottom one is the highest. And these, I'm not sure what they're for because they didn't even work. But yeah, we have a great view, you guys. We have a view of the city, we have a view of the park, so where the kids are gonna be. It's amazing. So we're gonna come over here. I'm sorry y'all, we are actually moving in still. Like we got some stuff in here, but not all of it. But this is our island. So freaking cute. This is our trash can. This is where we're gonna have our trash. Yeah, this is the island. We have so much space in here. Let me turn the light. So yes, y'all, we got all of these cabinet space, and we have like black appliances. So I got like black and silver. It came with a microwave, and then we have ceiling, like, oh, I forgot what they call cabinets, and they soft close, so they close soft. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. We got granite countertops, and we have like our electric stove. Obviously, this is the stuff we put in here. And we got our garbage disposal and our dishwasher. So I'm not gonna show y'all every little detail, like what's in what, because I want to make a furnished apartment tour. But yeah, this is our refrigerator. Yes, it's full. It's full of stuff. Full of stuff. So this right here in the kitchen is our washer and dryer. And it's like, we're out doing laundry right now, so it's kind of hectic in here. And right here is our pantry. So that's full too. And this right here is the hallway. We have a light in here. Amazing. And this is our bathroom. Y'all see me right there? Mommy Yana, that's what I'm talking about. Anyways, so it's the bathroom, it's the lighting. We have a medicine drawer, the mirror. I'm trying to tell y'all what's up. And then we have like our little cabinets under there. This is the toilet. We got some stuff here. And this is our basic bathroom. It's like huge though. I promise you not. It's big. So now I'm gonna take y'all to our room, master bedroom. We have a one bedroom because my son is not gonna be sleeping in his room. So yeah, this is our room. We actually been sleeping here, so it's a lot of our stuff in here already. So this is our bed. My son, he just be making messes in here, so it is like crumbs or whatever in his little cup. Daddy has juice. This is our TV and whatnot. This is all the stuff that we have, but everything still needs to be cleaned up and looked at. But yeah, so, and this is our little walk-in closet. It has a light. It's kind of spacious. It's perfect for us. It is perfect for us. So now I'm gonna take y'all out on my balcony. It is huge. Like, shopping for this is gonna be something different. So there is like two ways. It has a screen door. Two ways you can enter. So it's so beautiful. The view over here is beautiful. Beautiful. It's very nice. So yes, I cannot wait to put some furniture out here. Oh, it's locked, but once you go through this door, you get to the living room. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Yes, you guys. So I am so blessed for everything that I had. Like, may the Lord keep blessing me and my family. But like I said, I'm gonna show y'all the car too, because we did definitely get a new car. And yeah, like, it's just a 2017 Toyota Camry. But like I said, we're very blessed and we're very grateful for everything that we have. So with that being said, y'all finna be coming with me to decorate my apartment. The little things like the canvases, everything that I get, I am bringing y'all with me. So we're gonna be on this journey together. You know what I'm saying? Like, getting stuff for the baby. Y'all, it's gonna be way more stuff. Morning routines, all of that. So please stay tuned. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all, it's about to be lit all 2021. Y'all, this is my new car. She's pretty, she's white. I'm gonna show y'all the inside. Here's the inside. It's a few things in here because we did use her to move. I gotta go get her washed. But yeah, y'all, if y'all seen what we was working with, actually I'm finna show y'all what we was working with, cause, and this is my old car, y'all, so this is a big upgrade. And I'm so thankful and I'm so blessed. Y'all do not understand, me and my little mini me over here is blessed, and his daddy, of course. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just make this a move-in vlog, incorporate this tour and all of that. And yeah, or I might just cut it here and make another like move-in situation, because like I said, we already started our room, but we do have a lot of stuff we need to go buy and stuff we need to go do. With that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video or the next clip.